Hey friends, we're back at SeaWorld Orlando for another penguin check construction update. Let's go. They changed the direction of the parking lot. It looks good, but there's way less parking spots now. I can see this potentially being a hazard one day. The colors of the lines have changed as well. Standard parking is white, preferred is green, and then VIP is yellow. The traffic pattern they have now, if they revert it to all of this, would be fine. But currently a mixture of both, it's a hot mess. Oof. Pipelines on one train on a Saturday. That's not good. It is a very busy day at SeaWorld today. Let's take a ride on the Sky Tower.
People across the world taking action to protect these amazing animals and their habitats. Our teams are on call, partnering with multiple government agencies, conservationists, rehabilitating them, and returning them into survival. Rehabilitating them, and returning them into survival. That's Discovery Coast, where you can experience that giant fish voted the #1 outdoor waterpark in the USA. Visit the information tab today to see how you can experience Discovery Coast.
That's the best one.
We are a mission to protect marine life and the oceans.
Let's check out the site.
That's what our neighbors started doing when we got a pool in. That's what our neighbors started doing when we got a pool in.
When I say it's busy, I mean it.
Aqui, ó, na foto. É bem legal. Eu acho que é. Ô, mãe.
Journey to Atlantis is still closed. Park could really use it since it's so busy and it's really warm today. Hopefully it's open soon. Looks like Kraken's closing at 5 today. You can't even get by Kraken right now. And it's supposed to have a 70-minute wait. Absolutely not. Let's check out the penguins. So the only thing open for the penguins right now is this viewing area. Everything else is closed off. Those are going to be some really well-fed sea lions. We got some more prep for Seven Seas Food Festival. It looks like they are setting up food tents under the yellow awnings. Looks like they're setting up the stage for the concerts. Alright friends, it's going to do it from SeaWorld Orlando. As you saw, not a ton of work left to do at Penguin Track. It looks like they really just have about one support left and then maybe 2 or 3 pieces of track. And then they're done with vertical construction. They do have some path work to do and they have to finish up some little bits and ends here and there. But hopefully they add some theming to the outside. It looks like they're refreshing Antarctica, which is really good. But hopefully, fingers crossed, they add some theming inside the ride-in field, so that way it's really, truly immersive. But anyway, friends, if you like what you saw, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye.